mean, you're good now, I guess. What? You're good now. Alright, we're back at it with another video on the Q60. This time we're adding side skirts on here. So I wanted to match the theme of the car with like how I had the diffuser and the front lip. I already purchased side skirts previously, but I didn't like how they looked. And so I bought this from Home Depot and we're gonna try to make our own side skirts. I didn't get a wood material because obviously water would cause it to rot and all that. So this is actually white trim plank. I think they're 18 bucks a piece. Then I bought 2 cans of trim black paint, $11 each. This should come out cool. I've seen it done before. Let's just hope we can make it look cool now.
Yeah.
We'll say about 83 inches long. So put that right there. We'll mark 83 over here, cut it. I don't want the square sticking out right there, so I'm gonna trim it back. That way you can't see it. All right, so we have the vinyl ready. It's already marked up. I'm gonna go with the jigsaw. The material's not too thick, so this should cut right through it. I'm just trying to get a decent angle. I'll sand that.
You're gonna go cheap on it now? Like stupid. Order from the
This is
dealer
like
or
300
something.
bucks, bro.
Yeah, fucking right.
Why would I spend 400 when I could just build them for 40?
You go garbage? I'd rather not build anything.
Here goes the first coat. Second coat.
A little heavier than the first one.
Alright, y'all, third coat.
I measured on the car where the jack points were, and then I just gave myself like 3 inches this way and then 3 inches that way. So we already got the passenger side cut out, just the 2 squares. This still feels strong enough. We're gonna go ahead and mirror it on the driver's side now.
Why are you making a YouTube video about cutting some wood?
It's side skirts for 40 bucks. All right, so the Q's hella low right now. We're trying to figure out how to jack it up. A little more. Right there. Is that good? Yeah, it's cool.
Wow. Tell me that should actually work.
It did.
Oh, wrong. Good shit, bro. How much screws are you gonna put on each side?
Like 30.
Yeah, huh?
What the? Am I gonna clear?
Just go, fuck it.
Right here. Yeah. I mean, you're good now, I guess. What?
You're good now. Alright, we got the side skirts on. Scraped a little bit, but... Huh? Yeah, you're good.
Messed it up?
Nah.
It's been about like 3 months since we recorded, so that should give you guys a pretty good idea of how durable these side skirts are. Made them for 40 bucks total. I've driven to San Francisco, and if you don't know, that area is pretty bumpy. I did have one casualty, kinda, right here on the side skirt, it tipped off, but this car is really low. But other than that, like I said, driven it everywhere for 3 months and haven't had any issues. They've held up. I don't see myself ever taking them off. I feel like they look pretty good with the car, and they match the overall like body kit on it, I guess you could say, like the front lip, the side skirts, and then the rear diffuser. I would recommend this for any build. Pretty cheap and easy to do. Yeah, they're a little dirty, but it's all good. Woo.
All right, y'all, a little scrape test. Easy. Brian thought it was a good idea This was stuck. Chill. Here, ho. Who's a pro, homie? So there you guys go. $40 side skirts. Pretty cheap and easy mod. Took us about half a day to cut them, paint them, get them installed. And yeah, they look pretty nice. Especially on a low car, it's probably a better idea to go with something a bit cheaper.
I used to have one, dude. I had a Q60.
Sheesh. Fucking dope. Look at that frame.
Got that cups chilies.